Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Loom screen recording. It can be used on both PC and Mac and is the perfect tool or software, better yet, to do a screen recording or presentation for your business, or you can even use it for personal use to simply record a message to send to anyone. To get started, you'll need to go on your browser and you're going to search for Loom Video. Once you have done that, you can tap on Loom right here and you're going to be led to their website. Once on their website, you have quite a few options. You can either choose to download the app and you can download the app on your device, or you can use to add it as an extension if you're using, for instance, Google Chrome. And by the way, extension would simply mean one of these plugins that you see in the top right hand corner of my screen. But with the extension, you'll get limited features. These are some of the videos that I recorded to show you guys. Now to get started, once you are signed in and once you have downloaded whether the extension or you have downloaded the app and it is installed on your device, if it is the app that you have installed, all you'll need to do, let me minimize the screen right here. You'll see the app icon. You could tap on the app icon to open it. Once you have opened it, I will show you how to edit the settings and so on. And I do believe that this is a good software for persons that do different presentations and so on. Now to edit it, all you'll need to do, for instance, we could tap right where you see tapping on effects. And by the way, you can see a small circle popping up in the bottom left hand corner. In that circle, you're going to be seeing my image. Once you have applied, or better yet, once you have enabled HP webcam, you can see it right there. You'll see my image. And by doing that, you'll be able to edit the effects. So if I were to tap on effects, you can choose from any one of these effects. So at the moment, I'm using blur. But let's say I wanted to use one of the colors or so on. I could do that by simply selecting it. But the one that I've realized that looks the most professional to me is blur. But you can use whichever one you want. As you can see how blur looks right there. You can also add frames if you want. So you could tap on frames. And from there you could add different frames, as you can see right here. So it is completely up to you. So you can add frames also. Now if I should go back, you can tap on speaker notes, which will enable you to take notes while you're doing your presentation or recording, and you don't have to worry about other persons seeing it, as they won't see it, only you will be able to access it. Another thing that you can also do on Loom, you could tap on canvas right here. Once you have tapped on canvas, you'll be able to choose a canvas, and that is basically a background or a screen that you can write on while doing your recording or so on. So let's say, for example, I would like to use the meeting canvas. I could tap on meeting right here. After you have tapped on meeting, a window is going to pop up. Once this window pops up, you could do your presentation right here. You could change the background. So let's do that real quick. After you have tapped on background right there, you can see background image. So let's say I would like to use this one. I could tap right there and it would change it to blue, just like what you see right here. And from here, you could do a quick presentation. So for instance, I could do a quick type out everything I want right here. You could also tap on text layout and you could change the text layout style. Another thing that I want to show you is another feature that I like with Loom is whenever you are using the mouse, you will see a yellow icon, which will highlight where you're moving the mouse. So to enable this, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the three dots. Once you have tapped on the three dots where you see more, you'll tap on settings. After you have tapped on settings, from here you'll be able to enable touch up my appearance, and you can simply pull along the slider to enable it. You can also enable auto lighting if you want, and you can also use their filler word removal if you want. And if you like to enable noise filter, you can do that also. And the recording controls, which would be these icons, if you would like to hide them while recording, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see hide, and you can choose to hide it only in the final video. So that means that you'll be able to see it until the final video. Or if you like to hide it while recording, you can do that. Or if you like to show it, you can do that. You can also edit the video and audio settings by tapping right here. Now, if you were to go onto the Loom, you'll be able to change the resolution, the video resolution, and you'll be able to access 4K if you want. The thing that I told you that I like about them is the highlight mouse click, which you are seeing now. When you see the yellow circle around the mouse, you will have to toggle it on right there. And you can also edit the recording countdown. If you don't want that, you can toggle it off. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on preferences right there. If you would like to turn it off so it does not start up whenever you start your device, you can simply toggle it off right there. And if you would like to toggle off automatic install of updates, you can also do that. Now all you'll need to do is simply start recording, and you'll be able to use Loom. And you can also tap on the effects icon right here, and you're going to see an effect pop up, a celebration effect pop up in the bottom right hand corner whenever you tap on that. Now after you have recorded your video, you will be redirected to this page, so you can see the celebration pop up right there. So let's say I were to record a video. If I were to go back into Loom, once you have recorded a video, you'll be redirected back to this page. And once you have recorded the video, you can tap on it. So you can tap on the video that you would like to share. And one of the standout features with Loom is you will be able to share the video via link. So what do I mean by that? So let's say you have recorded your video, as you can right here, and you would like to share it with someone. All you'll need to do is tap on the link icon in the top right hand corner. You could tap on copy link. Once you have copied the link, you'll be able to share it with anyone on any social platform. Also, if you had turned on the mic, you'll be able to use their transcript feature. So you could simply tap on transcript right there, and you'll be able to get a transcript of your recording. Another thing that you can also do is, if you'd like to do any form of editing to the video, you can do that by tapping on edit right there. By tapping on edit, you can scroll down, and if you would like to trim the video, you can do that. So you could tap on trim and stitch right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you would like me to go more in depth in any one of these features, I can do that. And you can also add chapters if you want. So you could tap right here. You could also type in as if you want. And if you would like to add a thumbnail, so meaning if you'd like to add a cover image, you can do that. All you'll need to do over to settings. So let me do that real quick. So you're going to go over to settings. Let's tap on settings right here. And then from there, you'll see video thumbnail. You could tap on add, and you'll be able to add a thumbnail. Let me do that real quick just for example's sake. So I'll tap on add right here. After you have tapped on add, you'll normally be led to this dashboard, and you'll simply tap on browse. So let me do that real quick. And I'm just going to be adding a random thumbnail. So let's say this image, and I'll tap on open, and you can see it right there. Then I'll tap on save, bottom right hand corner, and the thumbnail has now been added. So now when I share this video, this is what they will see. And then when they tap on play, it will play the video that I had recorded, as you can see right here. Thanks for watching.